Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Nissan Frontier. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Hankook Dynapro tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Nissan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.